Garmin PowerSwitch Review, the digital switch box that replaces messy wiring and toggle switches. You know that feeling when your dashboard looks like a science experiment gone wrong, with toggle switches crammed everywhere and wires tangled behind every panel you touch? An overlander told me he spent an entire weekend just rewiring after one toggle shorted out his light bar mid-trail unexpectedly. That quiet frustration is real. Nobody talks about it enough. Have you been quietly living with that same wiring chaos too? The hidden cost goes deeper than messy aesthetics alone. Every extra relay, fuse, and switch means another potential failure point rattling loose on rough trails or choppy water out there. One UTV racer described his old setup as a ticking time bomb of electrical gremlins waiting to strike. That knot in your stomach when accessories flicker at the worst possible moment? Exhausting. But there's a smarter, cleaner approach that eliminates the clutter entirely. Enter the Garmin PowerSwitch 6-gang compact digital switch box, a rugged IPX7 rated unit that replaces your entire mess of toggle switches, relays, and fuse panels with one compact box controlled wirelessly from your Garmin Navigator or smartphone anywhere. Don't just buy any digital switch box. Make sure it has solid-state MOSFET switching with 6 independently controllable channels so you never suffer from corroded relays, blown fuses, or spaghetti wiring behind your dashboard again. Each channel handles up to 30 amps, and you customize everything: labels, icons, colors, dimming, even strobe patterns right from your touchscreen instantly. Picture this: a Jeep builder spent 3 frustrating weekends installing a traditional switch panel with individual relays, only to have 2 channels fail on his first trail ride from vibration alone. He swapped to the power switch, mounted it near the battery, and had all 6 accessories running cleanly within one afternoon. Another overlander told me she controls her camp lights, compressor, and rock lights from her phone while still sitting comfortably by the fire. No walking back to the cab needed. The built-in overcurrent protection automatically shuts down a channel if something shorts, which one user credits with genuinely saving his rig from an electrical fire on trail. Here's the part most people miss entirely: you can daisy chain up to 4 power switch units for 24 total channels. Once installed, the difference in your daily experience is immediate and genuinely satisfying from the very first use. Your dashboard stays clean and uncluttered because all heavy wiring stays under the hood. No drilling, no firewall pass-throughs, no tangled switch pods competing for precious space on your dash. The variable dimming transforms camp lighting from blinding floodlight to soft ambient glow with one simple slider touch. The automation inputs let you trigger accessories automatically. Reverse lights activate when you shift into reverse, fans engage with ignition, no extra thought required at all. An automotive technology expert noted, the Garmin PowerSwitch is one of the most innovative accessories to hit the off-road market in years. It solves a real problem with genuine engineering rather than marketing gimmicks. A popular overlanding content creator shared, "I honestly can't imagine going back to traditional switches after experiencing how clean and professional this makes every single build look and function." Real users consistently report that the near instantaneous response time when tapping a switch on screen genuinely surprised them. There's zero noticeable delay between tap and activation in practice. Yes, you do need a compatible Garmin Navigator or smartphone to operate it, which means no physical backup switches out of the box included, but most users keep a power bank handy and report this has never been a real-world issue across full seasons of demanding use. The grouping feature lets you create one-touch presets like night trail or camp mode that activate multiple channels simultaneously with one tap. What setup would you build with 6 fully customizable wireless channels at your fingertips? The Garmin PowerSwitch has quietly become the go-to digital switch solution for serious off-road builders, overlanders, UTV racers, and marine enthusiasts who refuse to tolerate messy wiring and unreliable mechanical relays anymore in their builds. Demand continues growing as more builders discover how dramatically it simplifies every accessory installation they tackle. Results may vary based on your specific vehicle electrical system and accessory configuration used. If you're ready for a cleaner, smarter, more professional way to control your 12-volt accessories, check the link in the description and experience the difference for yourself today. Your dashboard deserves better.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.